Hi! In front of me is iPad mini 4 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, go into calendar and tap on this plus icon over here. Then click on start and pick a date. When you're done, you can also select starting hour and ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on this filter next to all day. Then you can also add a title, select the location, and even take notes. When you're done, click on Add at the top right corner of your new event pop-up, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. You can always delete it by tapping on it, clicking on Delete Event, and tapping on Delete Event one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!